What the heck is going on at Facebook? Like, I can't figure this company out anymore. And I don't think the stock market can either. Anyway, they're laying off like 10% of their workforce, which is 8,000 people starting today. So people are getting notices in their emails that they're toast and getting severance packages or whatever. But listen, I don't understand the whole gig of why they're getting laid off. Now, I think there's going to be like a 2 year period, 18-month, 2 year period where everybody's laying everybody off because of AI. But they're not going to be able to hide behind AI. And look, I'm really big into AI. In fact, I'm implementing AI into many of my businesses, including the stock market and the cash flow machine. But I got to tell you, AI still needs human beings, right? You can't just say AI is going to run your company. You've got to monitor it. You got to make sure it's not an idiot. And so there's some stuff that is going on. But Mark Zuckerberg, listen, what they did a few months ago is they said, we're going to bring in AI. You're going to use it, or we're going to fire you. And when you use it, we're going to train it on you using it. And then after you've trained it, we're going to fire you and replace you with what you've trained on. Now, I mean, that's one take that I read, but that doesn't sound like a company that's doing that well. Things are weird at Facebook, right? And I think it's a top-down thing, okay? But let me just read you what I've got on the screen from Katie Paul at Yahoo Finance. She says, Meta CEO Zuckerberg told employees in an internal memo that he does not expect more company-wide layoffs this year. Well, that's kind of cool. According to a copy of the memo seen by Red. He made the announcement the same day that the Facebook carried out a massive restructuring of the company. Facebook owner is Meta, and transferring 7,000 employees to new initiatives related to AI workflows. Cool. I agree that you've got to embrace AI. In fact, every company, if they don't embrace AI, are going to be left in the dust. But you got to have humans to run it. Now, maybe you need fewer humans to run it. He says, I want to be clear that we don't expect other company-wide layoffs this year, and I also want to acknowledge that we haven't been very clear as we want to be in our communication. And that's the one area I want to make sure to improve. Look, this is a communication company, Mark, right? It's Facebook. Like, the whole point is to communicate, and you're not communicating. And that trickles into the investment. And let me show you the chart. Because look, 8,000 jobs cut in AI restructuring. Look, let me show you the chart here. Hang on a second. All right, here's the chart. So check the chart out, right? Like, the street doesn't like the chart. This has been on a downtrend for 6-7 months, right? When it hit, what is this, like 800, 796. That's the last top swing point. And then the stock dropped below its 50-day moving average right in here. And it's really never been able to sustain the 50. I mean, yes, we had a nice pop on earnings, but everybody just used that as an opportunity to sell. And look, the stock, went right back under the 50. And now it's been just kind of living under the 50. Sure, it pops up there, blah, blah, blah. But like, only for a couple of weeks over the last 6-7 months has it been over the 50. And it's still below the 200. It's using the 200 as like its resistance level. This is in no man's land. It's actually below no man's land. And this stock looks like, to me, it wants to go to 520. That's the swing point. If it goes to 520 on volume, that puts this 479 swing point in play. Now, this is the thing about swing points. People can't believe that they can actually go back and do them. But when you have a market that goes down, it turns red, everything gets sold off. And so all these swing points go back into a play. Now, this is a minor one. You want to look at swing points like this where there's some major volume, but this is something to look at. And if this company is laying people off and it's still going down and the street doesn't like that they're laying people off, I don't know. I mean, the street kind of knows before we do, right? So you can't be buying Meta in this case. Now, what you can do is you can buy and sell deep in the money calls, or you can sell puts. If you really like what Instagram and Meta do in this whole metaverse, which they've kind of tanked now, if you like what they do, okay, sell puts. Like, sell a put here, at 575, I don't know, whatever, and get some premium. But, don't be in the stock thinking it's going to go higher for a while, because it's in a downward consolidation. Now, what I teach is to buy stocks that are hopefully going higher or at least staying the same. And I teach people how to read charts so that they can get an idea of where stocks are going, right? A few weeks ago, I came out with a video and I said, this stock is going down, right? And everybody loved this stock, and I did this analysis and I told everybody, look, the stock is going down. The stock was at 145 and it's at 135. And that's the power of reading charts. If you can learn to anticipate where a stock is going, I'm not saying we're predicting. I'm saying we're just using the probabilities of the chart to figure the direction. Meta has a direction that is not very good. It's certainly, you can't look at this chart and go, oh, well, they're going higher. You can't. The relative strength is 33. That means 67% of the stocks in the market are doing better than Meta. Will that change? I don't know. I wouldn't bet on it. So to me, be careful if you're in Meta, guys. Like, they're not doing some stuff right. Like, you don't hear people talking about AI when it comes to Facebook and Instagram. You just don't. You hear talk about OpenAI. You hear talk about Anthropic. You even hear Grok, which is XAI from Elon Musk. And then you hear Cursor, which is now part of XAI. You hear about all these other things, even Google, but you're not hearing about Meta. And if the trends are to move toward AI, and Meta is declaring that they're an AI company, well, the street doesn't believe they're an AI company. Let me show you what a good AI company that's publicly traded, what their chart looks like. It's night and day. It's night and day. If you can't see that this stock is on an uptrend, then maybe you should turn your computer over or something, because this stock is on an uptrend. This is the kind of trend you want to buy. Oh yeah, Mark, well, it was down here. Look, I'm just telling you, you can squint and you can tell this is going from lower left to upper right. You cannot do that with Zuckerberg's company. Okay? You can't squint. This stock is barely moving. And so I don't want to see you get hurt, everybody. And if you're going to do this, make sure you get option premium from the gamblers out there. And you know what? I'll just leave it there. Be careful on Meta. Buy stocks that are moving higher. Learn how to read charts. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Let me ask you something. Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Are you tired of watching your portfolio go nowhere while the markets swing up and down? Or maybe you handed your hard-earned money to a financial advisor, hoping they'd help you grow it, only to be disappointed by high fees and underwhelming returns? I get it. I've seen it all. And that's exactly why I created the Cashflow Machine Elite course, to put the power back in your hands. This isn't just a theory. This is real, in-depth training on how to generate consistent weekly income from your existing portfolio using covered calls, just like the ones you see in my videos, but at a whole other level. Every week, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in premium income, enough to easily pay for this course in a matter of weeks. And more importantly, enough to build a life where your money works for you and not the other way around. Let's be clear, this course isn't for everyone. It's not for people looking to get lucky. But if you got a decent sized portfolio and you're ready to stop hoping and start earning, then you owe it to yourself to invest in the knowledge that can change everything. The Elite course is now open. The results speak for themselves. Click on the link below and let's build your cash flow machine together.